How to fix the Windows RE image was not found error with the Reagentc.Exe. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you the most common troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue on your Windows operating system. The very first thing that you want to have to do is to access any available web browser that you preferred on your end, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome at the moment. Now next is to use the search box by typing in taboo.blog, and you will have this website right here. So you will see this three option, the very first three option. What you want to have to choose is the first one, which is the system fix guide. And then right side of that, you will be given out a specific code like this one right here. So what you want to have to do here is to choose on copy and then go into your Windows search, type in CMD, right click on your command prompt, make sure to run this as an administrator, choose on yes, and you'll have this. Then just simply Control V or paste the specific command that you copied on taboo.blog, and you should be able to be fixed. And that's it. That's how you fix the Windows RE image was not found error with Reagentc.Exe.